The Yeni Cami, or New Mosque, stands proudly at the southern end of the Galata Bridge in Istanbul's Eminönü district, where the Golden Horn meets the Bosphorus. Its distinctive domes and elegant twin minarets dominate the waterfront skyline, marking one of the most recognisable silhouettes in the city. Construction began in 1597, commissioned by Safiye Sultan, the mother of Sultan Mehmed III. However, financial troubles, political unrest and a major fire in the area halted work for many years. The mosque was finally completed in 1663 under the patronage of Turhan Hatice Sultan, the mother of Sultan Mehmed IV. Its long and troubled building process reflects the influence of powerful royal women during a period often referred to as the Sultanate of Women in Ottoman history. Architecturally, Yeni Cami is a classic example of Ottoman imperial style, featuring a grand central dome supported by half domes, surrounded by a cascade of smaller domes and vaults. The interior is richly decorated with marble, intricate calligraphy and fine Iznik tiles. Sunlight filters through dozens of windows, creating a calm and luminous atmosphere. The mosque complex, or Külliye, originally included a school, a public fountain, a tomb and a large covered market designed to fund the mosque's maintenance and charitable works. Together, the new mosque and its surroundings capture the essence of Istanbul, where faith, commerce and daily life have intertwined for centuries along the shores of the Golden Horn.